Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another lesson in our ongoing French course. In this lesson, we are going to look at the verb balayer, which means to sweep, as in to sweep with a broom. Balayer belongs to a special small group of verbs, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that later in the lesson. Balayer is a regular ER verb in the present tense, and we'll take a look at the forms in just a minute. But first, let's look a little bit at the history of the verb balayer, which means to sweep. It is from the French word balai, which means broom. So the word balai, or broom, itself is derived from a word that meant a bundle of broom plants, and the broom plant in French is le genêt. So now let's take a look at the forms of this verb in the present tense. So again, it is a regular ER verb, so you'll use the regular ER verb endings that you already know. Now let's take a look at the forms of the verb balayer in the present tense. Remember that the first thing you want to do is remove your ER from the infinitive. Remember that the infinitive is the verb, the form of the verb that hasn't been conjugated yet. It doesn't have a time or a tense, and it doesn't have a subject yet. In order to give it a tense and give it a subject, you have to manipulate that infinitive. So we're manipulating the infinitive here to get our forms in the present tense. I've removed the ER, and I'm left with the root or the stem. Remember, root or stem means the same thing here. At this point, all we have to do is add the ending for je, which is E. So I have je balaye, and that means I sweep. Remember, it can also mean I do sweep or I am sweeping, just depending on the context. Je balaye. Tu, we start with our root, and we add our ending for tu, which is es here in this case. So we have tu balayes, which means you sweep, you do sweep, or you are sweeping, just depending on context. For the il, elle, on form, we start with our root or our stem. We add the ending, which is just e, the same as the je ending. So il balaye, he sweeps, he does sweep, he is sweeping. Elle balaye, she sweeps, she does sweep, she is sweeping. On balaye, one sweeps, one does sweep, or one is sweeping. Nous, we have our root, and we add the ending, which is ons. Nous balayons, balayons. We sweep, we do sweep, or we are sweeping. Vous, we start with our root, and you add the ending for vous, which is easy, and we have the form balayer, balayer. Vous balayez, which means you sweep, you do sweep, or you are sweeping. Finally, il or elle, we start with our root, balay, and we add the ending ent, il balaye. They sweep, they do sweep, they are sweeping, or elle balaye. They sweep, they do sweep, they are sweeping. Again, don't forget that for each present tense form of a verb in French, it can have more than one meaning. It's usually 3 different meanings, and that's very important to keep in mind. French verbs in the present tense are very powerful. You can express many, many ideas with just one single verb in the present tense. Okay, so now the part that is unusual about this verb, the thing that is unusual about it, is that this verb allows for alternate spellings of some of the forms. The nous form and the vous form always stay the same no matter what, but all the other forms have alternate spellings. You're allowed to use an I instead of a Y. So, je balaye. The pronunciation is the same whether you spell it with a Y or an I. Je balaye, je balaye. Tu balayes, tu balayes. Il balaye, il balaye. Either way, the pronunciation is the same. So just know that you can spell it either way. Either way is correct. The I spelling tends to be the preferred spelling, but if you do spell it with a Y, it's perfectly fine and perfectly acceptable. Okay, so that's what's unusual. This belongs to a small category of verbs. We've seen the verb payer, which is like this, and also the verb essayer, which is also like this. Okay, so now the fun part. You don't want to just learn verb conjugations. The whole reason for doing the verb conjugations is so that you can actually speak and communicate. So let's go ahead and put this into practice. So I'll kind of do a little quiz here. I'll quiz you and see if you can get the right answers. Okay. So the first thing here, you want to tell somebody I sweep or I am sweeping. You can also say I do sweep. It's all the same thing. How do you say that in French? Very simple. You know, it's just the conjugated form of the verb in the present tense. I sweep. I am sweeping. Je balaye. Je balaye. And remember that you can also spell it with the Y instead of the I. But the I is the more common spelling. Okay, so I sweep, I am sweeping, I do sweep, je balaye. Let's try another one. How would you say I sweep the kitchen? I sweep the kitchen. Do you remember how to say kitchen? Kitchen is la cuisine. Remember, cuisine means like food, type of food, but it also means the place where you prepare the food. So la cuisine. I sweep the kitchen, just put it together. You know how to say je balaye, and then follow it with la cuisine. So, je balaye la cuisine. Je balaye la cuisine. I sweep the kitchen. This can mean, remember, also, I do sweep the kitchen or I am sweeping the kitchen. When would you say I do sweep the kitchen? If somebody were to tell you in the negative, you don't ever sweep the kitchen, do you? You would counter it with what we call the emphatic do in English. You would say, yes, I do sweep the kitchen. Well, you get that same meaning from the present tense in French. So, je balaye la cuisine can mean I do sweep the kitchen. Just depends on context. Okay, so if you want to say every morning I sweep the kitchen, how about every morning? How do you say every morning? Remember, morning is matin. So, chaque matin. Chaque matin. And you already know the other part. Chaque matin, je balaye la cuisine. Chaque matin, je balaye la cuisine. Every morning, I sweep the kitchen. How about I sweep daily? Well, I sweep, you know that. Je balaye daily. So the word daily is quotidiennement. It looks very long, but it's really just 4 syllables. Quotidiennement. 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 So I sweep daily. Je balaye quotidiennement. I sweep daily. How would you say I like to sweep? Remember aimer. J'aime balayer. And finally, it's necessary to sweep. I don't know if you remember this one. We had a lesson on the verb falloir in the present tense, and the expression il faut generally means it is necessary or one must. So we have il faut balayer. It's necessary to sweep, or one must sweep. In other words, we have to sweep. You have to sweep. Okay, so payer, balayer, and essayer are the 3 main verbs that allow you to change the Y to an I in all of the forms except for the nous and the vous. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. Subscribers, thank you so much for your support. To go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.